Hello students. So now we are going to do second part, quadrilateral plan, exercise 4.3. First part we have already drawn in previous video. Now let's do this one. So again we have to make rough diagram every time so that it will be clear to us that what we have to do. Quadrilateral plan. So rough diagram, plan, P L A N. PL4, label it. PL4, LS 6.5, angle P 90, angle A 110, angle N 85. So these three angles and two sides are given to us. But children, this angle L is not given to us. This one is not given to us, so we have to find out this one by angle sum property of quadrilateral, because for two consecutive sides we need one angle, then only we can draw this. Then how will draw 110 here without measuring here? So we have to first of all find out angle L. So let's find out. Solution. Angle P plus angle L plus angle A plus angle N equals to how much? 360 degree angle sum property of quadrilateral. Put the values. 90. L we need to find out. Angle A is 110 and angle N is how much? 85 degree. Equals to 360 degree. Now angle L plus 285, add all three, this one and this one, 285 equals to 360. That means angle L equals to 360 minus 285, subtract 75 degrees. So we got this angle as 75 degree we got by this property of angle sum property of quadrilateral. Now we can easily draw. First of all we'll draw PL 4 centimeter, then angle N, angle P 90 degree, angle L 75 degree, then arc radius 6.5 and 110 from here, or 85 110 from here. So we'll get this quadrilateral plan. So let's start. First start with PL 4 centimeter. So let's draw PL 4 centimeter. So let's take ruler and pencil or pen. PL 4 centimeter. Draw. This I had taken 4 centimeter, children. PL, measure, write it PL. This is 4 centimeter. Now we have to draw angle P90, and you know how to make 90 degree. Take ruler and take compass and convenient arc radius. Draw an arc. We have to make 90 degree first. So without disturbing first 60, first extend this one. This is arc radius 60. This is 60. 60 to the 120. So we'll get 120. Now more than half. One arc from here and one arc from this side. So we'll get 90 degree. So measure, join it. We'll get 90 degree. This is 90. Now angle L, see our rough diagram. Keep looking rough diagram and draw. Angle L is 75, and we know children that we can draw all angles using ruler and compass, which are multiples of 15. So 75 is also multiple of 15. 15 5 is 75. So now we are going to draw 75 with the help of compass. So again take convenient arc radius and draw. First of all 60 degrees. 60 degrees is the base of all the angles. This is 60. Then 120. Make 120 also. Now more than half. We need 90 first of all. 1 half from here, 1 half from the opposite side. So we'll get 90. But 90 is not required to us. And whichever angle not required to us, we have to make using dotted lines. So I am making dotted lines. This is angle of 90 degree. Now 75 lies between 90 and 60 degree. This is 60, this is 90, and 90 and 60, if we bisect 90 and 60, we will get 75. So I am bisecting these 2 points, this arc radius, small arc radius, we will bisect so that we will get angle of 75 degree. So take more than half, always take more than half. So 1 arc from here and 1 arc from opposite. So this is 75. See this one, this arc is 75 degree. Now you have to join. So you got what? 75 degree. Now our next step is see rough diagram. See rough diagram. What is our next step? LA. LA is 6.5 centimeter. So we will measure 6.5 and then we will cut the arc radius. So 6.5. Take ruler and measure 6.5. This is 6.5. Now put a pointer on L and cut. So this is 6.5 arc radius. We got. This is 6.5 and give the name angle A. This is A. Now listen. See the rough diagram. The next step is angle A is 110 degrees. From A we have to make 110. Now children, we will use protractor or D to make 110 because 110 is not the multiple of 15 and whichever जो भी multiple नहीं होता है 15 का वो हम प्रोटेक्टर से बनाते हैं. तो हम will use protector to make angle A 110 degree. So let's make 110 degree. 110 degree from A. So take protector and put it like this. Take center. (110). From right we are taking right outer, left inner point. Zero rule. 110 degree here. So mark it. After marking, take ruler and join. So this is 110 degree. Now extend this line of 90 degree so that they will intersect each other. So they are intersecting each other at N. So this is our required quadrilateral. 110 degree. Label everything. 6.5, 90, 4, and this is AN. So we write thus plan is the required quadrilateral. Clear children, all of you? So we can easily make. So thank you so much for watching this video and we will do the third and fourth part in our next video.